Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many new moms out there: breastfeeding. Whether you're a soon-to-be mom or have just welcomed your little bundle of joy, this video is for you. We'll be sharing some valuable tips for breastfeeding success that will help you navigate this beautiful and sometimes challenging journey. Breastfeeding is a natural and incredible way to nourish your baby, providing them with essential nutrients and building a strong bond between you and your little one. However, it's not always a walk in the park. Many moms face difficulties and uncertainties along the way. That's why we're here to offer some guidance and support. Before we dive into the tips, let's quickly touch on why breastfeeding is so important. Breast milk is uniquely designed to meet your baby's nutritional needs, providing them with antibodies that boost their immune system and protect against illnesses. It's also easily digestible, reducing the risk of digestive issues. Plus, breastfeeding promotes bonding and can even lower the risk of certain diseases for both mom and baby. Now, let's talk about the purpose of this video. Our goal is to equip you with practical tips and advice that will help you overcome common challenges and ensure a successful breastfeeding journey. We want to empower you with knowledge so that you can make informed decisions and feel confident in your ability to nourish your baby. So, what can you expect to learn from this video? We'll be covering a range of topics, including proper latching techniques, how to establish a good milk supply, managing common breastfeeding challenges, and finding support when you need it. We'll also touch on the importance of self-care and seeking professional help if needed. All right, now that you know what to expect, let's dive into the tips for breastfeeding success. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, and it's okay to face challenges along the way. The key is to stay informed, seek support, and trust your instincts. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Now, let's get started with our first tip: proper latching techniques. Stay tuned. 1. Proper latching is essential for successful breastfeeding. Ensure that your baby's mouth covers a large portion of the areola, not just the nipple. This helps prevent nipple soreness and ensures that your baby is effectively extracting milk. 2. Establish a good milk supply by breastfeeding frequently. Newborns typically feed every 2 to 3 hours, so try to nurse on demand. This helps stimulate milk production and ensures that your baby is getting enough nourishment. 3. Seek support from a lactation consultant or breastfeeding support group. These professionals can provide guidance on proper positioning, troubleshooting common issues, and offer emotional support during your breastfeeding journey. 4. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and get plenty of rest. Remember, you are your baby's source of nourishment, so taking care of your own well-being is crucial for successful breastfeeding. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Breastfeeding can be challenging, especially in the early days. Reach out to your partner, family, or friends for support. Having someone to lend a hand with household chores or provide emotional support can make a big difference. 6. Be patient and persistent. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. It may take time for you and your baby to establish a comfortable routine. Don't get discouraged if things don't go smoothly at first. With practice and patience, you will find what works best for you and your baby. 7. Stay informed about breastfeeding-friendly resources in your community. Many hospitals, clinics, and community centers offer breastfeeding support groups, classes, and resources. These can be valuable sources of information and support as you navigate your breastfeeding journey. 8. Trust your instincts. You know your baby best. If something doesn't feel right or you have concerns about your baby's feeding, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Trusting your instincts and seeking help when needed can help ensure the success of your breastfeeding journey. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Stay open-minded, be flexible, and most importantly, enjoy the bonding experience with your baby. Breastfeeding is a topic that elicits a wide range of opinions and perspectives. While many experts and organizations advocate for breastfeeding as the optimal way to nourish a baby, there are also differing viewpoints and challenges associated with this practice. Let's explore some of these aspects and delve deeper into the topic of tips for breastfeeding success. One aspect to consider is the cultural and societal context in which breastfeeding takes place. In some cultures, breastfeeding is deeply ingrained and widely supported, while in others, it may be met with skepticism or even stigma. Understanding these cultural nuances can help us appreciate the challenges that some mothers may face when trying to breastfeed. Another perspective to consider is the impact of external factors on breastfeeding success. For example, the availability of maternity leave and workplace support can greatly influence a mother's ability to breastfeed. Research has shown that mothers who have access to longer maternity leave and supportive workplace policies are more likely to breastfeed exclusively for the recommended duration. It's also important to acknowledge the challenges that some mothers may encounter when breastfeeding. While breastfeeding is a natural process, it doesn't always come easily. Some mothers may struggle with issues such as low milk supply, sore nipples, or difficulties with latching. Seeking support from lactation consultants, support groups, or healthcare professionals can be instrumental in overcoming these challenges. Contrasting viewpoints also exist when it comes to the duration of breastfeeding. While organizations like the World Health Organization recommend exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months and continued breastfeeding alongside complementary foods for up to 2 years or beyond, some mothers may choose to wean their babies earlier due to personal or cultural reasons. It's important to respect and support each mother's individual decision regarding the duration of breastfeeding. As we explore the topic of breastfeeding success, it's crucial to consider the role of education and support. Providing mothers with accurate information about breastfeeding techniques, proper nutrition, and the benefits of breastfeeding can empower them to make informed decisions. Additionally, creating a supportive environment that includes partners, family members, and healthcare professionals can greatly enhance a mother's breastfeeding journey. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What has been your experience with breastfeeding? Have you encountered any challenges or received support that helped you succeed? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Let's continue the conversation and support each other on this important topic of breastfeeding success. In conclusion, breastfeeding is a natural and beneficial way to nourish your baby. While it may come with challenges, there are tips and techniques that can help you succeed in your breastfeeding journey. Some key takeaways from this video include the importance of proper latching techniques, establishing a good milk supply through frequent nursing, and seeking support from lactation consultants or support groups. It's also important to take care of yourself by staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and getting plenty of rest. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Trust your instincts and seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for support from your partner, family, or healthcare professionals. By following these tips and techniques, you can increase your chances of having a successful breastfeeding experience. Breastfeeding provides numerous benefits for both you and your baby, including bonding, immune system support, and long-term health benefits. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from this information. We also encourage you to explore related content on our channel or website for more in-depth discussions on breastfeeding and other parenting topics. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your breastfeeding journey.